Azure Storage. Azure Storage is a Microsoft cloud storage solution for modern data storage scenarios. Azure Storage is a service that you can use to store files, messages, tables, and other types of information. Azure Storage can be used as a store for websites, mobile applications, desktop applications, and many other types of custom solutions. Azure Storage is also used by virtual machines and also cloud services on platform as a service. You can generally think of Azure Storage in three categories. One is storage for virtual machines. This includes disks and files. Disks are persistent block storage for Azure Infrastructure as Service virtual machines. Files are fully managed file shares in the cloud. Unstructured data. Now, this includes blobs and data lake stores. Blobs are highly scalable. They are REST-based cloud object store. Data lake store is Hadoop distributed file system, also called as an HDFS. Structured data. Structured data includes tables, Cosmos DB, and Azure SQL DB. Now, tables are nothing but just key value pairs. Cosmos DB is a globally distributed database service. Azure SQL is a fully managed database as a service built onto SQL. We will talk about these individual components one by one in the subsequent videos.